Hi, how are you? So I thought today's video was going to be on something else. So I ordered the ColourPop mystery bag and I got an email saying that it was going to be here today. And then I woke up today to an email saying that they sent me that on mistake and it hasn't even shipped yet. So yeah, I'm having some shipping issues this month. But it's okay. As you can read from the title, I do have a box to open today, a box I really enjoy, and it is so cute this month. Look at this packaging. So this is my paper box, and this is a personalized stationery subscription. Even the outer packaging is personalized. Look at how cute that is. So I am going to tell you about this and then I will get unboxing. So I forgot to tell you guys last month that I have a code for this so you can try your first month for only $10. So today I'm opening the grand paper subscription. So there's a grand and then there's a mini. And normally this, the grand subscription costs $28. But if you use code VIP10 at checkout, you can get your first month for only $10, which is the price of the mini subscription. So that is a great deal. So I'm really sorry I forgot to tell you guys last month, but I just double checked and that code does work. So I will leave the link below along with the code if you are interested. So like I said, this is a personalized subscription. It is so cute. So the mini I opened like a week or two ago, and that comes with 3 personalized notepads. This grand paper box, this comes with more things. So there'll be like personalized cards, other things. So we'll see what's in it in just a second. Let me open the box. All right, so I just opened it and it says, "To Kitty, will you be my Valentine?" How cute is that? And then it's all wrapped in tissue. Like, seriously, everything is adorable with this subscription. My low battery is going off, so I'm just gonna keep filming. If I have an interruption, we'll just have to deal with it because that's how today's going. So underneath the tissue, this is what it looks like. It's full of goodies. Oh my god, I love what I see on top. So I love this phrase, "I love you to the moon and back," and it looks like there is a sticker right on top that says that. So yeah, last month we had some stickers too, so I wonder if this comes every month. This is my second month receiving this. And I do receive it free for review, but this is all my own opinions. Always, all my videos are. So it says, "You are so loved." God, these are so sweet. I love just like little sweet messages. I think it can really cheer someone up. It might seem really tiny, but the littlest things like that can make someone's day. And this says, "I really, really lilac you," written in lilac color. That's cute. All right, and then there are some cards. So this is perfect to get in preparation for Valentine's Day. The first one says, "You are loved." Look how adorable it is. And then on the back it says, "Made by Kitty." Oh my god, so when people get it in the mail, they'll see that. This is so cute. Like, I love this. The next one says, "Happy Valentine's Day." I love the pretty nails. And then again, "Made by Kitty." And then "Love is in the air." Super cute. I think there's more cards too. Oh yep, here's another one. "I heart you." Yeah, look at that. And that's like anatomically correct heart right there. Super cute. All right, next I see a little notepad. So I love these. I do get 3 a month in my mini subscription, but I use them all the time. I told you guys earlier in the month how I use them. I was actually just adding some things to my running grocery list earlier. I love having notepads. And how cute is this? It's pink and there's a little K for Kitty with some hearts in the corner. And there's a decent amount of sheets in all the pads I've gotten, so these last a while. Super awesome. Oh my god, I think this is like old school Valentine's cards. Yes, like those, you get the sheets and you tear them off, and on the back each one has different messages. This is like the grown-up version of like kids ones, you know, like you get like some Disney theme or something, and it would come with like these little cards and sometimes candies. Oh my god, this is so cute. So this is what that side looks like. And then there's that. And on the back, all of them are already signed with Kitty, and then I can add in who it's to. These are so cute. So yeah, Valentine's Day is only a few weeks away. January is flying by. I think I say this every month that the months fly by, but seriously. Okay, and we got another little calendar. I like this. I have one here. So my January one I have behind me. I don't know if you can really see it when I film, but it is on my vanity, so I can see what, you know, days of the week and stuff. I think this one's way cuter. This is more my style. It's like a little like pink and black, and then it says, "To Kitty, will you be my Valentine again?" So super cute. I love the theme. So, let's leave that over there so I can plan ahead. And then, oh my god, this notepad might be my favorite. It says dear, and then it's blank, and then it says February. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is really inspiring me to write some cards. I need to go get some stamps. And then at the very bottom, it looks like this is the last thing in here. It's like, there's a little attachment, so these must be together. So the little one says today, and then the larger notepad says tomorrow. And inside it, it's just like some blank pages, but there's like squares. It's kind of like a bullet journal, isn't that what they look like, kind of? So that's super cute. And let's see, does tomorrow look the same? Yeah, tomorrow's the same. Super cute. Sorry if I'm going really fast. It like red battery like beeping at me, or not beeping, flashing at me is like freaking me out. These are so cute. I love the colors of everything this month. In the mini subscription, I'll link that down below, by the way, if you want to watch that one, if you're like indecisive about what one you want to try, or you just want to watch that video. A lot of the notepads, they were like pink in color too, and that's just so much more my jam. You know, like I love girly stuff, and this, everything is just so adorable. I can't wait to use all these cards. Oh my god. So this is a good amount too. Like, I don't have too many people I need to send things to, so this is enough for my friends and family. Like, these stickers are adorable too. I love getting this box. It makes me feel really like cheerful and like want to spread love when I get it, and I think that's really important. So if you're into this kind of thing, of course I will leave the link down below along with the promo code if you want to try it for only $10. And there's no long-term commitments or anything like that. And also if you want to gift it, you can change the name so it's very personalized. Like mine's Kitty. Like when you sign up, you actually type in the name you want and everything. So yeah, so it's a good gift too. So I'm super excited. When I'm out running errands later, I'm gonna get some stamps so I can start sending some cards out. But anyways, thank you all for being here. I'm sorry if I seem rushed. Again, I will have my 2,000 subscriber giveaway super soon, so look out for that. Some stuff's in the mail, and I'm going to continue shopping this week. I'm like on a shopping binge lately, but it's so fun shopping for it. But anyways, I love you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.